Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe, it is pistachio white chocolate chip cookies. My boys, especially my youngest, always love it when the cookies are colorful, right? Green, whatever green, baked goods that green bread, green cookies, green cake, he would call it Hulk. But when he saw this cookie for the first time out of the oven, he called it Bowser from, I think, Teenage Mutant Ninja, if not Mario Bros. I can't remember, but he said it totally looks like Bowser. These cookies are fragrant, of course, with pistachio, distinctive pistachio flavor. It's just overall nice, and it's so simple to make. Check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye. For the dry ingredients, this is 1 cup of enriched flour with 1 box of pistachio pudding, 99 gram, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So we just mix it. And set to side. Now we're gonna cream half cup of unsalted butter. Then add in half cup of sugar. Crack in 2 eggs, but beat in 1 at a time. And beat until just combine. Mix in your dry mixture a little at a time and fold it in with your wooden spoon or spatula. And add in about half bag of white chocolate chips. So this is from 225 gram, just half bag. In the mixture you can see some of pistachio crush, that's from the pudding. Scoop batter and drop on parchment lined baking pan like so. Now press some white chocolate chip all over, just additional. We're gonna bake it on preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Let cool on the pan for 3 to 5 minutes before you move them onto cooling rack.